How to change age on Discord Mobile. This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing your date of birth on Discord using the mobile app. Whether you entered the wrong date when creating your account or simply need to update it. This step-by-step guide will help you submit a request to Discord support for the change. So let's get started. So first, open the Discord app and log into your account. Like mine is already logged in, so that we can go to the next step. While we are in the Discord app, tap your profile at the bottom right of the screen. Now that you are in the Profile tab, tap the Settings icon at the top right of the screen. While we are in the Settings tab, scroll down until you locate the Support tab. After you locate the Support tab, tap on it so that we can proceed. From here, tap the combo box to choose an option. The option appears. Just tap Appeals and Age Update Request. This is where you can fill out the forms. Just fill it out and tap the combo box of how we can help. The option appears. Just tap Update My Age Information. There is other blank box that need to be filled, especially your date of birth, to know your real date of birth. In the subject section, just type date of birth correction or any subject regarding change of birth. Scroll down a little and write a description like I want to change my birth date or any description regarding changing your birth. After that, check the box and tap the submit button to submit your form.